the 4-digit code. So to crack this 4-digit code, let's start from this clue which says that all digits are wrong. So 5, 1, 2, 4 are the wrong digits. Let's cancel out these 5, 1, 2, 4 in the following clues. 5, 4, 4 is there, 1, then here it's 4 and 2, here it's 1 and 5. Next, let's move on to this clue which says that one digit is right and in its place. So which is the right digit? Let's move on here. One digit is right but in wrong place. So now let's compare these two clues which says here one digit is right and in its place, one digit is right but in wrong place. So here if the correct digit is 3, then it is in the place. But here 3 is there. So if it is right, then it is said that in wrong place. So it can't be correct, right? So in this case, this 3 is the wrong digit. So we have to cancel out 3. This is the wrong digit. So the correct digit is 6. 6 is the right digit and the right digit is in its place. So let's take the right digit 6 and as it is in its place, let's place it. Now this clue, here we have found that 3 is the wrong digit. So let's cancel out 3 because it's the wrong digit. So after cancelling 3, the remaining is only 9. So 9 is the right digit but in the wrong place. So let's place 9 later. Now move on to the first row clue which says that one digit is right but in wrong place. So after cancelling, the remaining is only 8. 8 is the right digit. Then the second row, 2 digits are correct but only 1 in its place. So these are the correct digits 6 and 7. 2 digits are correct but only 1 in its place. So 6 already placed and it is in the wrong position. So which is the correct digit in place? That is 7. So let's place 7. 7 is the digit in place and 6 is also right but in the wrong place. So we have placed 2 digits. Now move on to the third row clue. It says that 2 digits are correct. Yeah. After cancelling only 2 digits remaining, that is 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 are the correct digits and both in wrong place. So if 8 is not at this position or in this position, yeah, it's already occupied, and here is 8. One digit is wrong and others in the wrong place. This row says that one digit is wrong. It means that the wrong digit is 3. Remaining all digits are correct. Remaining this 8, 9, 7 are the correct digits and in the wrong place. All these digits are in wrong place. So we have to place it in the correct place. The 8, 9, 7 we have to place it. 7 already placed. 8 and 9 we have to place it. Yes, if 8 is not here, then the remaining is in this position. So let's place 8. And the remaining digit is 9. Yeah, 9 we have to place it. The empty place is here. So let's place 9. Now we have found the 4-digit code which is 9876.